Imagine this: you've been diligently saving up in your stash investment app for months, maybe even years. You've watched your portfolio grow, and now you're ready to cash in on some of those gains. But how do you actually get that money out of stash and into your bank account? Today, we're diving into that very question. Can you transfer money from stash to your bank account? And if so, how does it work? Understanding stash. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what stash is. It's a popular investment app that makes it easy for people to start investing, even with small amounts of money. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares, and Stash offers a variety of investment strategies to suit different risk tolerances. The short answer: yes, you can. So, to answer the main question, yes, you can transfer money from Stash to your bank account. It's a pretty straightforward process, but there are a few things you need to know. How to transfer money from Stash. Log into your Stash account. The first step is to log into your Stash app or website using your credentials. Navigate to your portfolio. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to your portfolio page. This is where you'll see a list of all your investments. Select the investment you want to sell, choose the investment you want to sell, and liquidate. This means converting your investment back into cash. Confirm the sale. Stash will ask you to confirm the sale. Make sure you review the details carefully before proceeding. Choose a transfer method. After you've confirmed the sale, Stash will give you the option to transfer the funds to your bank account. You'll typically need to provide your bank's routing number and account number. Wait for the transfer to process. The transfer process may take a few business days to complete, depending on your bank and Stash's processing times. Important considerations. While transferring money from Stash is generally easy, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees. Some investment platforms, including Stash, may charge fees for withdrawals. It's important to check Stash's fee schedule to see if there are any associated costs. Tax implications. Selling investments can have tax implications. If you sell an investment at a profit, you may owe capital gains tax. It's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional to understand the tax consequences of your investment activities. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Stash may have minimum withdrawal amounts. This means you may not be able to withdraw small amounts of money. Transfer limits. There may be limits on how much money you can transfer at once. If you need to transfer a large amount, you may need to do it in multiple transactions. Additional tips. Consider using instant transfers. Some banks and investment platforms offer instant transfer options that allow you to access your funds more quickly. If available, this can be a convenient way to get your money out of Stash. Be patient. The transfer process can take a few days, so don't panic if you don't see the funds in your bank account immediately. Check your Stash account. After you've initiated the transfer, you can check your Stash account to see the status of the transaction. So, there you have it. Transferring money from Stash to your bank account is generally a straightforward process. By following the steps outlined above and being aware of the potential fees and tax implications, you can easily access your funds when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.